Today we turn our attention to another icon from the golden age of Lamborghini, the Lamborghini Silhouette. Born in the heart of the disco era, this sleek and daring machine made its mark on the automotive world from 1976 to 1979, captivating enthusiasts with its bold design and exhilarating performance. Crafted under the watchful eye of Marcello Gandini, the Silhouette emerged as a striking departure from its predecessors, boasting a low-slung silhouette and aggressive styling that turned heads wherever it prowled. With its distinct wedge shape, this Italian masterpiece was a true symbol of automotive extravagance. But the Silhouette was more than just a pretty face. It was a performance machine through and through. Beneath its sleek exterior, a potent V8 engine, delivering a symphony of power and precision with a displacement of 3 liters and producing around 260 horsepower. The Silhouette was a force to be reckoned with on the open road, but it didn't have the V12 engine that everybody knows Lamborghini for. But what truly set the Silhouette apart was its open top design, allowing drivers to experience the thrill of the open road like never before. Whether cruising along the coast or carving through mountain passes, the Silhouette offered a driving experience unlike any other. Crafted with the same attention to detail and precision engineering that defined Lamborghini, each Silhouette was a masterpiece in its own right, from its hand-built engine to its meticulously crafted body panels. Introduced in 1976, the Lamborghini Silhouette was a mid-engined, rear-wheel drive sports car produced by the Italian automaker Lamborghini. It was the first Lamborghini model to feature a removable Targa top, offering an open-air driving experience. Powered by a 3-liter V8 engine, the Silhouette boasted impressive performance figures for its time, with an output of approximately 260 horsepower. This allowed it to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 6.5 seconds and reach a top speed of approximately 160 miles per hour. The Lamborghini Silhouette was a limited production model with only 54 units built during its production run from 1976 to 1979. Its sleek and angular design, penned by renowned designer Bottoni, made it a standout among its contemporaries. Equipped with a 5-speed manual transmission, the Silhouette offered a thrilling driving experience, characterized by its responsive handling and precise steering. The Silhouette's performance capabilities, combined with its striking aesthetics, made it a true collector's item. Every detail is meticulously designed to provide the ultimate driving experience, blending comfort with adrenaline-pumping performance. Beneath the hood lies a roaring V8 engine, delivering an exhilarating symphony of power and precision. With its lightweight construction and advanced engineering, the Lamborghini Silhouette delivers blistering acceleration and razor-sharp handling, making every drive an unforgettable experience. Whether you're a collector, enthusiast, or simply appreciate automotive excellence, the Lamborghini Silhouette remains a true masterpiece that continues to inspire and captivate to this day. The Lamborghini Silhouette P300 is a 2-door, 2-seat, mid-engine, rear-wheel drive sports car that was made in small numbers by Lamborghini between 1976 and 1979. Of 54 produced. Predecessor was the Lamborghini Urraco. Successor was the Lamborghini Jalpa. Officially presented at the 1976 Geneva Auto Show, Silhouette began as a styling exercise by noted Italian carrozzeria Bottoni. It was based on the earlier Lamborghini Urraco, but was distinguished from the Uraco by more angular styling. The Silhouette was the first Lamborghini to employ a Targa top roof. The Silhouette later evolved into the similar looking but more successful Lamborghini Jalpa. The car had a 3-litre all-aluminium alloy Lamborghini V8 engine mounted transversely behind the driver. Of the 54 units, 42 left-hand drive and 12 right-hand drive, 31 are currently known to exist. Official performance figures indicate the Silhouette can complete the 0 to 62 miles per hour sprint in 6.5 seconds and could reach a top speed of 260 kilometers per hour or 162 miles per hour. Despite its short production lifespan, the Lamborghini Silhouette left a lasting impression on automotive enthusiasts with its unique blend of style, performance, and exclusivity. Lamborghini engineers focused on optimizing the Silhouette's aerodynamics and chassis dynamics, resulting in a car that excelled both on the road and on the track. The Silhouette represented a significant achievement in automotive engineering for Lamborghini. Its lightweight construction and powerful engine made it a formidable competitor to the supercar market of the 1970s. Although production of the Silhouette ceased after just 3 years, its legacy continues to be celebrated by enthusiasts and collectors worldwide, cementing its status as an iconic piece of Lamborghini history. For those fortunate enough to own or experience a Lamborghini Silhouette, it represents the epitome of Italian automotive craftsmanship and performance, a timeless symbol of Lamborghini's pursuit of excellence. Crafted with precision and passion, this masterpiece from Lamborghini embodies the spirit of Italian engineering at its finest.